I'm trying to actually trade for like 10%. I'm waiting for signal, so I'll be right back once signal is available. Okay, I hope to get a signal here. All right, that's a signal on 25 index, and I just made my entry for 10%. So let's see how it is. I enter at the bottom. Where I should have exited was where I entered, so I have to wait a bit. It's about going down, so I have to wait a bit for it. Okay, it's almost there, sir. Okay, so I just traded for um I don't know, the alert didn't come on this phone, so I would have shown you the alert I traded with. I just made $10. Okay, I traded with $100 to make $10. That's 10%. Probably I should show you can trade it. But you see, you require to practice, master the process. In fact, I shouldn't have shown you that one. I should have shown you probably the one on the system because I think that one would speak better. You can see it there, right? This is the signal I just traded. The signal is what I just traded. Now, these same signals are available uh, on my TMN Media Signal service. But you see, the challenge with a lot of people is that they want to do everything. You're not supposed to do everything. You take little that you are supposed to trade it, close, make your money, and close. So little by little, if you're able to make $30 every day, $30 is like 15,000 there. It's like 15,000 there. You're able to make 15,000 there every day, you're good. If you make that for 10 days, 150K. For 20 days, 300,000 naira monthly. So it's slow and steady. You don't need to rush it. You don't need to be in a hurry. Okay, let me do another one. Let me do another one and another one. No, no, you don't need all that. First, learn the process. Practice what you've learned. Ensure you master it. And then once you've mastered, you will start earning. Now, for my own trading course, I have the Chairman Media copier that students can connect to while they are learning so that they can also earn while they are learning. But you see, the major key thing is learn to do it yourself because that's the only way you can get to make more and you can control what you make. So it's as simple as this. I'm showing you so you understand. It is not a design something to deceive you. It's something to let you know. I've been trading like this for a while. So if it does not work, my brother, don't go look for work. Work not even did this country safe. So you need to understand it's doable, it's tradable, it's just simply low. I've taught this for free before. Now have done many of many sort. But you see, you want to learn step by step process. Okay, you should contact me. I'll give you the link for my. It's not yet ready, but I'll give you the link for my uh, online course where you can start step by step. And if you want a one-on-one tutorial, it's available. You are going to be tutored one-on-one. It's step by step. Take things one at a time and you can start making money for yourself. Every single day. This is not gambling. It's trading. Knowing exactly when to trade, how to trade, when to exit, when to enter and make profit. So you buy and you sell for profit margin. God bless you and I'll see you another